Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change a signature on your AOL mail account. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in mail.aol.com in it to end up in the official website. Make sure that you also log into your AOL mail account. And once you are logged in, go to the top right corner and click on the gear button. Now click on More Settings and click on the Writing Email option from the left inside menu. Once you're inside this tab, scroll down and make sure to toggle on the button right next to Signature. If you've not enabled Signature yet, you can type it down in this text box over here. And if you want to change a signature, you can simply go ahead and make necessary edits for your signature in the text box. Once you are done entering your signature, you can now simply get back to your inbox and try composing an email in which you will be able to see your changed signature. So that is how you will be able to change your signature easily and quickly on AOL mail account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.